Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to take chart screenshots. This can be quite useful when you want to share your charts with your family, friends, or your colleagues. So I'm going to go here and choose indicators and choose Bollinger Bands as an example. Okay, and now that's visible, so I'm just going to go up here and click the camera icon to take a screenshot, and then click Save. I'm going to go over here and see it in the Finder. You can see that it's CoinPanel, then Binance, the exchange, and the pair, as well as the time that the screenshot was taken. Now we can see the image here. It's exactly how I wanted it to look like. So I'm going to move on and show you how we can make some adjustments to the screenshots. We can zoom out here so the time frame is longer. We can change the time intervals to 12 hours instead. And so now we get a bigger context. And I'm going to take another screenshot here. So I click the camera icon again and click Save. And we can view this one as well. There it is. It's a little different than the other image. And it's as simple as that. Now you can share your chart drawings easier than ever. We hope that you find this new feature to be useful. Thanks for watching.